Hey guys, it's Brad here in Dayland, Drone Dependence. We did some reviews today. It's a beautiful hot Sunday here. We are sweating asses off.
Sweating for you.
Yeah, we did some reviews. We did some flight tests on the DJI Spark, Mavic Air,
Mavic Pro,
and the new foldable drone by Yuneec, the Mantis Q. We flew them all today, this morning, and we're going to let you know how they performed and let you decide which one is for you.
You just saw him unbox this one, and we did 4 camera tests, all at 1080p at 30 frames per second for each drone. Hopefully the footage is close enough alike where you can get a good idea of what the camera can shoot on each one of these things. We will come up with those answers after this, so stay tuned. All right, everybody, we got Bradley here with the Spark up in the air right now. He's flying over the water. Now, to keep this comparison fair, we shot all 4 drones at 1080p at 30 frames per second. And we did that because the Spark can only shoot at 1080p. Now, these other 3 drones all can shoot 4K, but it's not a fair comparison if the Spark can't do that, so we shot it all at 1080. So we have a few shots here over the water, coming back around this baseball field and stuff like that, so hopefully you can get a fair comparison as to how the video quality looks. But just note that the Spark is the only one that does not shoot 4K. Just based off what I'm seeing now, the footage of the Mantis Q is very unstable compared to the rest, which is a big deal if cameras are what you're going for here. We'll test out all these shots here. We'll line them all up in a row here on the screen for you to see, so you can get a good look and you can make a decision for yourself.
The Mantis, it's very quick, very fast. Just had some camera issues right there.
Very unstable in my opinion.
Yeah.
I need smooth footage, and that just does not cut it.
Spark is what, like $600 for everything with the remote?
Yeah, something like that.
The Mavic Air was what, $800?
Yeah, and then the Mavic Pro was $1,100 with the remote.
And the Mantis Q, which was really very inexpensive for the remote and the drone, about $500.
Also, in my opinion, I'm sure you agree with me as well, is that the remotes for the DJIs are all substantially better than this one that the Mantis has. I think it's more like a toy than an actual product that you would get for like a high quality drone, like the way that they're marketing this one to be.
Yeah, the remote is standard.
Yeah.
It's not like the Q500
no.
Or the Typhoon H with the built-in screens. No, this one's just standard.
Well, everybody, that was a nice fun Sunday for us here over at Drone Dependence.
Yeah, it was a great day. We compared 4 drones.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you some insight if you're looking at buying any of one of these 4 drones. We do own all 4 of them, and in my opinion, my favorite one is the Mavic Air. Small, compact, good quality footage, easy to carry around.
Out of the 4 today, I like the DJI Mavic Pro. It's a great solid drone, great camera. So that's our take for today.
We here at Drone Dependence just wanted to say thank y'all for watching. Throw us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe for a good time.
Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
We'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Peace. Let's cargo away. People are coming, so we just wanted to say that. Oh my God. Let's let's get this over with. All
We
right.
just wanted to say.
We